Hi everyone, welcome to PSC Collegiate English. Today, let us analyze the question paper for Assistant Professor in English exam conducted by Kerala PSC in November 2020. The total marks for the exam was 100 and the time allotted was 2 hours. All the questions were compulsory. The question paper was divided into 3 sections. The first section had 6 questions of 3 marks each. The second section had 10 questions of 5 marks each, and the third section had 4 questions of 8 marks each, and all the questions were compulsory. The answer was to be written in the space allotted. We can say that for 3 mark question, some 6 lines were allotted, and for 5 mark question, if you are measuring on an A4 sheet, you can see one side of A4 sheet was allotted for 5 mark question. That means some 12 to 15 lines would be written in it. The space for each answer was provided right under the question, and the space allotted for 8 mark question was, we can say, one paper of A4 sheet, that is both sides. We can write some 20 to 25 lines in it. So that was the space allotted in the question paper. And telling about the standard of question paper, we can say it was moderate. The questions were not too tough, the questions were not too easy, it was moderate type. That is, the people who have prepared the syllabus on a whole could easily write the question paper. Now let us quickly look into the questions. For 3 mark questions, we had write a brief note on blending. What are major themes explained by Andrew Marvell in To His Coy Mistress? The third question was, what are nasals? The fourth one was, how does St. Coleridge differentiate between fancy and imagination? Fifth question was, explain briefly Laura Mulvey's concept of the woman as an image and man as the bearer of the look. Sixth question, why does the speaker in Maya Angelou's poem call herself a phenomenal woman? Moving to the next section, this section has 10 questions. So the 7th question was, comment on the symbolism in the title The Bluest Eye. Explain the theory of rasa. Explain Waiting for Godot as a representative play of literature of absurd. Next was archetypal criticism. Then theme of identity in Nizam Ezekiel's poem Background Casually. 12th question was form class and function class words. 13th question was cognitivism. 14th question, 1984 as a dystopian novel. 15th question was Ivanhoe as a historical novel. 16th question was to transcribe and mark primary and secondary stress. That is, one has to write in phonetic script. The words were breath, rewind, organization, possibility, mathematics. Moving to the third section, it had 4 questions of 8 marks each. So the first question was feminist themes in Anita Desai's Clear Light of the Day. Next question, explain Macflecknoe as an epic, mock epic. Next question, explain T.S. Eliot's concept of tradition and individual talent. Next question, treatment of nature in Ode to a Nightingale and Ode to the West Wind. So that is all about the question paper. Now speaking about the syllabus and the question paper, the syllabus for this particular exam is really vast, but questions were not asked from all points of view. So one thing can be done when you are preparing for the exam, go for the easier questions and try to write that quickly. In that way you can do justice to this question paper. Thank you.